Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Excel tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to simply add a clickable link or how to add hyperlinks into your Microsoft Excel workbook without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the shell that you want to add a link. Like for instance, this particular shell right here, I'm going to type in download just like so. So having typed in download, go ahead and come back to the shell. Now the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and see how we can add a clickable link to this particular effect. So for that, what you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on Insert tab right here. Under the Insert tab, go ahead and navigate to link. And this is going to come up right here. Then you have all links or files in your PC. Next thing you want to do is to select a particular file that you want to add. Like for instance, I'm going to click on this particular PDF right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on. Okay, once I click on OK, you can see it's become a clickable. By the time I double click on it, if I click on the link right here, you can see it has been pressed to link. So if I click on the link right here, it's going to automatically go to another page. So let's go ahead and click on the link. So you can see once I click on the link, it automatically loads into this particular PDF file right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Microsoft Excel, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.